Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Anthony Knows. No judgment, your story matters. Tonight, I want you to picture this: a bright studio kitchen, cameras rolling, and our guest, a talented 39-year-old chef, about to share her favorite simple, so everyday recipe. Except in the flurry of excitement, she never turned on the stove. The result? A plate of completely raw chicken. Our host tried to save face by calling it innovative, but viewers went wild with ridicule, labeling her the food poisoning lady. Her cooking school shut its doors that very day. Ouch. First off, to our brave listener, thank you for sharing. You're not alone in having a moment that feels like you rewrote your future. Psychologists call these events flashbulb failures, moments so bright they sear themselves into our memory. But here's the good news: they don't have to define us. You've already taken the first big step. You're talking volume. Let's start with self-compassion. Research by Dr. Christine Neff shows that treating ourselves with kindness after a mistake actually speeds up recovery and builds resilience. So, forgive yourself the same way you comfort a friend who slipped up. Remind yourself you are human, you are learning, and you still have so many delicious recipes to share. Now, a playful twist. Own the story. Share the blooper reel. People love authenticity. Look at social media stars who post their outtakes. Suddenly, they're relatable. You could launch a mini-series called Raw and Unfiltered, showing what happens when kitchens get real. Spin that raw chicken moment into a charm point. Humor diffuses tension, and laughter can be the best sauce you serve. Next, let's build a new foundation of confidence. Break down your signature recipes into micro steps and rehearse them away from the hot lights. Run a small live stream for friends or family. No pressure, just practice according to cognitive behavioral techniques. Repeated success in low-stakes settings rewires our brains. I can. Each little win is a brick in your comeback kitchen. It's also time to reconnect with your community. Have a free pop-up workshop or a neighborhood tasting event. Invite locals to taste your cooking and chat with you. Personal face-to-face moments repair trust faster than any press release. Show them the real you: cheerful, capable, and eager to share your culinary passion. Finally, remember this: life is an endless series of courses, starters, mains, desserts, and sometimes unexpected surprises. Your cooking school closing isn't the final course, it's just a plot twist. From this moment on, you're the hero of your own story, and every hero has a second act. So, shine your brightest lights on your next kitchen adventure. Celebrate each small victory, laugh at life's curveballs, and keep stirring the pot of possibility. I believe in you, and so do countless listeners tuning in. I'm Anthony, and here on No Judgment, your story matters. We turn even our messiest moments into a recipe for growth. See you next time. Bring your raw ideas, because here, we'll cook them up into something amazing.